In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Salesforce. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to pay attention to so you can confidently export your Salesforce data whenever you need it. First, start by logging into your Salesforce account using your usual method. Once you're signed in and you're on the main Salesforce homepage, move your eyes to the top right-hand corner of the screen. There, you'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings or setup icon. Click on that gear icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option labeled Open Advanced Setup. This will take you into the main setup area where most of the admin tools live. When the Advanced Setup page opens, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical panel that acts as a navigation menu. At the very top of that panel, there's a search bar. Click into that search bar and type in data export. As you type, Salesforce will filter the results. In the search results below, you should see an option called Data Export. Go ahead and click that. Now you're on the Data Export page, which is where all the export options are managed. On the right side of this page, you'll see buttons that let you either export immediately or schedule an export. If you haven't exported anything yet for the current month, you should see an Export Now button available. Click Export Now if you want to generate a fresh export right away. If you've already done an export this month, Salesforce may instead guide you toward a Schedule Export option. Choose Schedule Export if you want Salesforce to automatically create exports for you at specific times. Once you choose to export now or schedule the export, the page will reload and show you a list of items and data types that you can include. Take a moment here to carefully select the objects and data you actually need, such as accounts, contacts, opportunities, or other records relevant to your work. Being intentional about your selections will keep your export files cleaner and easier to manage. After you've made all your selections, scroll down and confirm your choices. To finalize the process, click the Start Export button if you're running it immediately, or click Save if you're setting up a schedule. Salesforce will handle the rest in the background. That's all you need to do to export your data from Salesforce.